बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की हमारी डिक्टेशन है पीएलजी पैराग्राफ सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड 1908। दिस डिक्टेशन इज रिकॉर्डेड बाय मोहम्मद उस्मान सिद्दीक एंड डिक्टेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर गुजरात टेस्ट। 100 वर्ड पर मिनट स्पीड है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। रेडी, स्टार्ट। Section 12 question comma whether the amendment is Section 12 comma CPC which was adopted in Azad Kashmir after institution of the suit by the plaintiff oblique appellant comma can be given retrospective effect comma and while rejecting the plaint under Section 12 CPC acted in accordance with law held semicolon amendment cannot be allowed to act retrospectively. It cannot be allowed to hit the present suit. Such amendment is substantive piece of law. And secondly, all laws, rules and regulations are meant for the advancement of justice and not to suppress the remedy. Courts always lean in favor of adjudication on merit rather than resorting to technicalities. Case remanded. Full stop. Para. Section 115 Civil Revision case was remanded to executing courts with direction to frame additional issue and decided objection petition as well as execution petition. A sale suit for possession was decreed on the basis of compromise. Petitioner applied for preparation of decree sheet which was later on dismissed for non-prosecution. Execution petition was time barred and a fresh decree sheet was not prepared by a decree holder by making misstatement. Petition was time barred and a fresh decree sheet was not prepared by a decree holder by making misstatement before court, and there was resettlement between the parties through which the decretal amount was returned to decree holder. Executing court held an inquiry. Execution petition was rejected by executing court. First appellate court remanded the case challenge to validity. Executing court, while rejecting execution petition, did not give any observation regarding oral assertion of judgment debtor, and that order was not challenged in appeal nor cross objection in appeal. Full stop. In presence of first decree sheet, there was no need to get prepared. The second one, photo state copy of decree sheet was produced for showing that decree sheet was prepared earlier, and decree holder filed a time barred execution petition by getting a fresh decree sheet which was obtained on basis of misstatement held semicolon. Full stop. Executing court cannot hold inquiry on a photostat copy and cannot refuse to allow the execution petition validly filed on the basis of certified copy of decree sheet. Debtor could not produce any evidence regarding return of decretal amount to plaintiff. Full stop. Further held semicolon on basis of mere oral assertion of defendant, the execution proceedings cannot be delayed further on basis of fake and ambiguous photo state of decree sheet. Full stop. That's end.